Today I have my May BoxyCharm and I'm going to share with you guys what I get, and also I'm going to do a review with you guys. I'm going to try on everything that I get from my BoxyCharm with you guys. That's why my face it is like this. So if you guys want to know what I get from my BoxyCharm, stay tuned because I'm going to show you this box. Let me tell you, it's just a regular box. It's just a regular box, and it comes with the with this little thing right here with the card. It comes like this, and you get the card inside. And in the back is the prices. It looks like this. So let's see what we get. So we are going to start with the Glam Glow Berry Glow, like this. And it's a beautiful kind of like a smoothie. Yes, it looks like a smoothie, like a something like that. Oh, and it smells so good. I'm going to grab a brush. I'm going to take some of these products like this. I'm just going to for 10 minutes. We're going to leave it for 10 minutes. Of course, I'm not going to be here for 10 minutes with you guys. Of course not. Time is up. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I wait 10 minutes for the mask. I'm going to remove the mask. Feels like very hydrated. It feels cool, which is really nice. It feels very fresh. Like I feel like so nice, fresh. I'm going to continue with the second item, the Wonder Beauty right here, you guys. Look at this packaging, the little tube where you squish, which is so easy. It's going to look how beautiful it is. I'm going to apply. Oh my god, just enough to play with them. See how it works. It has like a little bit of shimmer in it. Dry. You guys can see, like, you see, it's getting like a little bit tacky. But the good thing about products like that, it is that it helps to hold the product. Voy a realizarme mi base y ya les muestro qué es lo que voy. I'm already did everything, all my face, my brows, my bronzer, my blush, my highlighter, my everything, my face. So I left the best for the last, and I'm going to show you the next products, which is this beautiful palette right here. Look at this beautiful palette. I'm so excited to create so many looks with this palette. I feel like I want to play with maybe with orange. Can we play with orange today? We can play with orange and maybe some green colors. And I'm going to use a random brush today. This one is my Sigma E40 brush. And I'm already set my lid. So I just go ahead and going to apply this. And I don't know what kind of look I'm going to create, but bear with me, you guys. So let's start with the Daybreak, this color right here, which is a yellow, beautiful yellow color, and I'm going to apply on my lid. horizon right there, and I'm going to use the same brush and see how it builds. Let's build this here. Oh my god, look at this. Like a sunset. I mean, the concept for this palette is actually beautiful, and the colors, you guys, is like to take this color right here, this color right here, which is Grand Canyon, and also same brush. I'm just going to take Daybreak, which is the yellow one, and I'm going to this color right here, which is pyramid, yeah, that one, which is a little bit more darker, and just a little tiny bit I'm going to apply here in the outer corner, just to make it like a more like that, and yeah, beautiful. Just a little bit here like that. Now I'm going to do my bottom, and I'm just going to start the same way I start. I'm going to start with the yellow, and yeah. I'm going to go ahead and show you the next product from my BoxyCharm, which is going to be this one is the Hank and Henry liquid liner. Let's try this one, and I'm just going to create a wing line. Beautiful. I'm going to pop some lashes, and I'll be right back, okay, to show you the final product, which is, I'm so excited. This is my first time using this brand, which is Dust of Colors, and it's the color Toast. I'm glad because it is not like the typical rose type of nude with pinky on it. It's more like a brownish, like a very nude color. So I'm going to blend this with this brush. Beautiful. BoxyCharm, you did it again. Beautiful product. Liquid eyeliner is beautiful. I mean, the lipstick is like as well fantastic. Every month I get something completely different. So yeah, I'm going to link everything in the description box, you guys. I'm going to also like this leave you there the things that I use for my base and my brows. So bye guys, comment down below, let me know you guys what else you want me to create for you guys. Thank you so much, stay safe, keep safe, God bless you, que estén muy bien, se cuidan mucho, los quiero mucho, gracias por venir aquí a mi canal a ver mis videos y no tengo nada más que decir, chao.